Hey everyone, welcome back to iNeuronix.ai. Today's video is an absolute game changer. After watching this, you'll never need to memorize or write complex Git commands again, whether you're working on personal projects or in a professional environment. We are diving into a tool that bridges GitHub into AI interfaces like Cursor, Windsurf, VSCode, Claude, and many more, all powered by something called as GitMCP. So let's get started and save hours of your dev life. Imagine how USB become the universal port for all the devices. That's exactly what MCP is doing for all AI tools. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It is a standard that makes it super easy for AI tools like chatbots, agents, and coding assistants to connect with external systems. It can be a Slack, GitHub, Notion, CRM, anything. Now, first of all, let's head over to one of our GitHub repositories. The link is also in the description below. So I'm clicking on this icon. This repo explains how to connect AI agents to 250 plus tools using Composio, so it is a perfect example. Now here's the magic, just replace github.com with gitmcp.io in the URL, so it becomes gitmcp.io. Once you hit enter, you'll see this beautiful interactive gitmcp documentation interface. So here you have MCP server URL, and you can also select your IDEs, because as we all know that different developers have different favorite IDEs, and the best part is Git MCP supports almost all of them. My personal favorite is Windsurf, and if you want to install it too, just head over to the Google and just type install Windsurf. You'll get the Windsurf installed from here, and you'll find a setup guide in the official documentation for installing the Windsurf as per your operating system. Once Windsurf is installed, open the app by just typing a Windsurf in your search bar. Cool. I have created a new folder named as lecture over here. You just click on this particular icon, open Cascade. You will be getting something like this. Okay. Then we are coming back to getmcp.io. From here, you can select your preferred IDE. So I'm selecting the Windsurf. Now it is giving me the instruction that in the Windsurf, you need to update this particular mcp-config.json file. So I'm taking this particular piece of code. I'm coming to my Windsurf. I'm clicking on this config link. I'll be getting something called as manage plugins. Then you should click on view raw config and paste your code over here. Okay. Then click on the refresh link. You will be getting MCP server over here. Now that's the MCP is connected. Let's see what we can do using just natural language prompts inside the Windsurf IDE. So I'm just writing a prompt using the MCP server, clone the GitHub repo having name into this particular folder. So I'm taking the name of the GitHub repository from here. This is the name of the GitHub repository. So I'm pasting it over here. Then I'm running the cascade. It is working. So I'm clicking on the accept button. It is cloning the GitHub repository for me. So it cloned the whole GitHub repo without me typing a single git command. As you can see, this is the entire GitHub repository. So if I'll come over here, this is a GitHub repository where I have two files. I've cloned the same inside the Windsurf ID without writing even a single command. So let me write another prompt. I'm saying that create a new Python file named as agentconnector.py and add basic setup code. Just written this particular prompt. Let's see what will happen. It is creating the agentconnector.py. As you can see, we have this particular agentconnector.py, and I'm clicking on accept changes. So this is a basic code the Windsurf have written for agentconnector.py. You should update it accordingly as per your use case. And Done. And yes, you can even commit your changes directly from here by saying commit this file with message initial commit for agent connector setup. Everything right from cloning to committing can be done through plain English. Let me take a pause and highlight. I have not written a single git command. No git clone, no git add, no git commit, no git push. That's the true power of GitMCP combined with AI IDEs. It is like ChatGPT but built into your own coding environment. Start using this in your daily dev workflow and you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Thanks for watching this episode on iNeuronix.ai. If you found it helpful, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your teammates. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I'll be more happy to assist. See you in the next one.